Here we are at the Sunfield Townhomes in Longmont, Colorado. I'm Robert Crow, Realtor with RE/MAX Alliance. Thanks for joining me. This is a video on my new listing at 805 Summerhawk Drive, Unit 148. And as you can see, this townhome enjoys a beautiful feature. It sides to all this open space. In fact, about 9 acres of open space. So you can sit out on your deck there, watching the world go by. You can have your dog run around. It is a beautiful, beautiful feature to this property. This shot here just very quickly shows you how close the one-car detached garage is to the property. So you can park your car, walk up the steps, and you're in the home almost right away. Beautiful, light, bright, and open townhome. The sellers have worked so hard these last couple of weeks getting this property ready for listing, and of course ready for you, the new potential owners. They've gone ahead and put in brand new carpets. Those carpets are maybe 2 weeks old at best, and it's just immaculate. The paint's in great condition, the flooring's in really good condition, and then look at all that light. I never get bored of saying this about homes. You know, light is so important, natural light, and this home is just light, bright, and airy. Hardwoods there in the kitchen, plenty of cabinet space. We've also got hardwoods as you walk into the property. There's your casual dining area. We're going to loop around here to the half bath. That was the door there on the right to the basement. That's an unfinished basement. Your washer and dryer is down there. You know, your furnace and your hot water heater is down there. We just had the furnace and the AC service, so that's working great. Gas fireplace. Coming upstairs, we have the same brand new carpet going all the way to this upper level. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath townhome, 1,756 square feet, of which 1,137 is finished, 619 of unfinished in the basement. This is the guest room. As you can see, we've got the twin bed, room for a desk there. We're going to loop around the corner and we're going to see that cut through into the family area. Again, I love these cut throughs. They let in so much light. And as you can see there, you've got those upper windows as well. Gas fireplace, plenty of room on that mantle for a massive, and I say massive, flat screen television. Here is the primary, very spacious indeed. That's a queen bed to kind of give you reference there. There's room for an occasional chair. You've got room there for your drawers and chests and so on and so forth. We have twin closets, so on the left and on the right, as we go into the shared primary bathroom. So you share this with the guest room there. It's a full bathroom, full being it has that big soaking tub there, as well as the shower. Come on outside, there's that 9 acres. You've got a poured patio there. You can see your AC off to the right in a second. So room for a table, certainly. You've got your grill there. In fact, my client had that gas grill and also a Weber out there. So nice and spacious. Great as well if you've got a puppy that can hang out in that space during the day. Here are the trails that go all the way around the property up to the north, where there's a kiddie play area. And I've included plenty of shots of this because I know when my kids were younger, this would have been huge. And then to finish up the video, here is a drone shot of all that open space. I'm Robert Crow, Realtor with RE/MAX Alliance. Thanks so much for watching. Any questions, reach out using the information on screen. And as always, have a smashing day.